The corkscrew might be my favorite exercise in the whole Pilates mat. It's a beautiful combination of stretch, strength, and massage. And today I'm going to show you how you can start getting the benefits from this exercise at every level. So we're going to start by just going through what the most complete advanced version of this exercise looks like so you can know where you're headed. So it's legs straight up to the ceiling. They make a big controlled circle, and then at the top they lift up towards the sky, like a little candlestick. Now, I want you all to be able to see everything I do, so for this video, I'm gonna keep my corkscrews a little bit smaller, just so you can see my feet and they don't go out of frame. And then it's just this motion. You go one way, and then the other, and at the end, you roll down the center. All right, so that's a lot. Let's break it down. If you are a beginner, you're just gonna start on your back and first get used to rocking the knees side to side and letting the hips rock on the mat. In Pilates, we very often are asking you to keep the hips still, so getting used to this controlled rocking motion is a step for many Pilates people. And then keeping your core on, see if you can make some little circles, one way and then the other. And I think of it like a clock. You always start at 12. Nice. Now, if you want a little extra help feeling the massage of this exercise, or if your legs feel really heavy, I love to do this with the hips propped up on a little cushion, pillow, blanket. Of course, if you have a spine corrector, that's amazing. That works great. Just to feel a nice little circle. And then the next step is to do the same exact thing, but with straight legs. And at the beginning, you want to keep your circle pretty small. And as you advance, you can come down off your cushion and your circle will gradually get bigger. So this progression that we're doing very quickly often takes months, if not a couple years. So don't rush through it. It's just going to take your body its own time. You want to make sure you don't have any back pain and that your abs feel really secure before you try what for most of us is the exciting part, which is that big fancy shoulder stand. So when you first start, just do little hops. You come to that 12 o'clock and then you just boop, hop the booty up, pushing into the hands and just a little suspension of the hips. And then you're just gonna make that suspension a little higher and a little longer. Notice how I'm coming down slower and up slower each time as I go higher. So my speed isn't increasing with my range of motion. I'm actually slowing it down. Awesome. And that's it for today. We are all done. I hope this inspired you to try the corkscrew in your practice if it's not part of your mat already, or to keep working towards that big lift as you get stronger. If you would like to do some full-length online classes with me and get some personalized feedback on your corkscrew, I've linked up how to do that in the description below. And if you enjoy free videos like this one, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.